How to set app drawer on Android. First of all, launch settings on your Android phone. Now, scroll down. Locate home screen and lock screen option. Once you land on this home screen and lock screen section, you will get multiple options. Among these options, choose home screen mode. So currently, we have set our home screen mode to standard mode. What you need to do in order to get app drawer back on your Android device is simply select drawer mode. After that, here you will see different options. Here you can see personalized search, show app suggestions, display keyboard when entering app drawer, add apps to home screen, app or add app search to notification drawer, and then toggle the button on for all of this option and select apply button. So select switch button, and switching home screen modes may change the icon arrangement. So select switch button. And after that, when you come across your home screen and simply swipe up, you will see we have successfully got the app drawer on our home screen. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.